In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sample on Soundtrap. By the end, you'll understand what sampling is, how to bring audio into Soundtrap, and how to isolate the exact slice you want for your track. First, let's quickly clarify what sampling means in this context. Sampling is the process of taking a small piece of audio and using it creatively in your own project. That piece could come from your own recordings, loops built right into Soundtrap, or other royalty-free sounds you're allowed to use. It's important to keep things legal and respectful. Don't use copyrighted material without permission. If you're unsure, stick to your own material or clearly labeled royalty-free sources. This keeps your music both safe to share and easy to release. Now let's bring audio into your project. Open Soundtrap Studio and create or open a project. Add a new track, then choose Import File. Navigate to the audio you want to sample. MP3 and WAV are both fine, and confirm. You'll see the file appear as a region that you can drag onto the timeline. If you prefer to start with material that's already cleared and categorized by mood or instrument, open the Loops browser in Soundtrap, browse and drag any loop directly onto the timeline. Loops are a great starting point because they are designed to fit musical grids and tempos, which makes chopping much cleaner. With your audio in place, it's time to isolate the sample. Zoom in on the waveform so you can see the details of the transient peaks and silence. Use the scissors tool to make precise cuts around the section you want to keep. Highlight and delete the parts you don't need, so you're left with just the core moment you're after. Shorter is often better here. A tight one shot, a single chord, or a 1 or 2 bar phrase is easier to loop cleanly and process later. For accuracy, you can toggle snapping so your cuts land right on the beat, or turn snapping off if you need to cut between grid lines. If you hear clicks at the edges, add tiny fades at the start and end of the region to smooth transitions. Play your isolated piece in a short loop to check that the timing feels musical and the cut points sound natural. If it doesn't feel right, undo, adjust your cut, and try again. Soundtrap's non-destructive editing makes it painless to refine. That's the foundation of sampling in Soundtrap. Know your source, import it confidently, and isolate the cleanest, most musical slice. Keep it simple, trust your ears, and you'll be ready to build a track around your new sample.